just normal flat twist at the front, and then you tag the hair in at the back with the little beads and all that. So I've done half of the hair already into flat twist, so I'm doing the other side of the hair. If you are good with flat twist, this hairstyle will be quite easy for you. Just to make your lines and start flat twisting it. See, I'm not perfect with lines, but I think I've tried with this one. So you just take a portion of it, then you make your flat twist. This can be a protective style because all your ends will be tagged in. Yes, so as you can see, that's what I'm doing. Just making the flat twist at the front. All my ends will be tagged in at the end. Okay, almost done with the flat twist. Level about 3 patches, something. So that's what I'm doing, just making flat twist, and I left a portion the front to braid it. I'll make the flat twist, but I'll bring it forward and then put some carries and beads just to add some style to the hairstyle. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing. Just braided it into twists. Yes. So now I think I'm done. The most difficult part of the hair is done. I'm done with the flat twist. Now with the beading, just add some style to it. But this is a very good protective style, and it's easy. Can take it to where, can take it anywhere. As you can see, I'm tying the hair. Yes, I first use the rubber band just to make it easier for me to use. Some of you can use a shoelace or anything. As you can see, I'm twisting, making it into big twists. Yes, to make it look like a pony or something. This is a style that you can take anywhere you want to go. You can take this style because it's easy and it keeps your ends tagged in. Yes, so I'm doing the big chunks of twist, and then after that I'll combine all, braid the tip, and then tack it in. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. There are some that I forgot to do, so now I'm retwisting the ends of all those that I packed at the back. Then I'll tack it in. Yes, just do some little twists on the side, and then yes, I'm using styling gel from magazine. That's what I'm doing. You can see the back now. Mhm. So yes, we are done. I guess we are done. It's easy. It took me about, let's say, 20 minutes. 20 minutes or so. Yes, it took me about 20 minutes to finish this thing. It's quite easy. Quite easy. If you are good with twist out or flat twist, then this will be easy for you to do. Yes, as you can see, I'm done. Done. Just adding some decorations. I'm decorating my hair to make it look nice. See, when you add beads to the to your twist out, it prevents it from, you see, natural hair. Even if there's a little amount of water on it, it starts to shrink if you have healthy hair. So you just add the beads to weigh it down. Yes, so we are done.